How to control Android phone from iPhone. So if you want to control an Android phone from iPhone, then here are the steps. What you need to do is you need to go with your Android phone at first. So in your Android device, you need to install these two applications. But on your iPhone, you just need to install this one, which is Anydesk Remote Desktop. So once you install the application on both the devices, let's go with the steps. Now, once the application is installed on both of the devices, you just need to go with the settings. Open up your settings on your Android device. Once you open up your settings on your Android device, you just need to search for accessibility. Tap on accessibility. Once you tap on it, you need to go with the option of downloaded app. And here you will get this kind of interface, which is the accessibility is a high sensitive permission. If you grant this permission, your private information might be leaked and your property might be at risk. So simply tap on I'm aware of this possible risk and then tap on OK, which is on the bottom left. Now go back and you need to open up your Anydesk applications. Once you open up your Anydesk, you need to go with agree. And here you can see that there are some numbers in our Android phone and as well as in the iPhone. So if you want to control the Android phone from your iPhone, then you need to enter the number which you have on your Android on your iPhone. So enter the number. Once you enter the number, now on your Android phone, you will get a security warning. So you just need to simply click on the boxes and then tap on accept. Once you click on accept, now click on the permissions profile, and here are some permissions profile. So if you only want to share the screen, then you can choose the option. But in this case, if you want to control the whole phone, then you just need to simply allow all of the permissions, like you need to go with full access. Once you go with full access, you need to tap on accept, which is on the right side, and then tap on start now and OK. Now on your iPhone, you will get the same kind of interface as you have on your Android. So in this way, you will be able to control your Android phone from your iPhone. And if you want to turn that off, then you can again open up your Anydesk application and then go with the upper right, which has that cross icon, and the session will be closed. So that's how you can control your Android phone from your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.